All right, I got this Gag cup from the Mass Galaxy store. I would call it a gag gift, but it's also a useful gift. It's a stainless steel cup. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. And let me show you what you get with this. First, it comes packaged nicely in a box, which is inside of another box. Everything arrives safely. You have this 304 stainless steel cup, which is awesome because 304 stainless steel is the kitchen grade stuff that keeps your hots hot and your colds cold for a long time. It is 20 ounces. Plenty of space in there. It looks like the bottom is good for setting into the car, in the car cup holder. So it measures almost 7 inches tall and 3.5 inches across the top. We've got a nice clear sealed lid on here. It's got the drink opening and looks like a little air hole here. So allow it to pour freely. And it comes with, also, you get a little 2022 Not My Problem keychain holder, which is also nice looking. It also comes with a stainless steel straw. And you have a rubber straw tip on here. I like these. I've used these before. So you put that tip on there, very strong there, you're good to go. It also comes with a straw cleaner brush, which is awesome. I use these for a lot of things. So if you're looking for a retirement gag gift that's also useful, 304 stainless steel right here. Someone that's retiring this year, maybe a family member, a friend, coworker, boss, whoever. Check out this one by the Mass Galaxy store. Retired 2022, not my problem anymore. Check it out.